For many years, mechanical ventilation has been about providing life support. But we've seen in recent years that ventilation can be so much more. We know that your choice of ventilation therapy can impact patient outcome. Unfortunately, this has also made ventilation increasingly complex. You need to interpret patient data and to act accordingly. It requires your time and training, but the ICU is a complex area with lots of devices that compete for your attention, and time is limited. That's why we wanted to create a ventilator that requires a minimal amount of training to use. A ventilator that empowers you, at bedside, every step of the way. The Servo-U is all touch, and the screen helps you focus on the important things while keeping functions not often used out of your way. Menu takes you directly to what you need, carefully visualizing what you are doing. More importantly, the decision support you get during ventilation has never been more intuitive. On-screen tutorials are available to help you choose between ventilation modes. Servo-U reminds you of things to do and even provides recommendations of possible actions to perform. And when you adjust settings, illustrations help visualize the effects of those changes. We also made some interactions potentially safer by requiring more from you when changing certain settings. Studying clinicians at work has taught us that successful ventilation therapy involves the whole team. It's about you being able to utilize the full potential of the ventilator. Adapting the tidal volume to the patient's lung is one example. Servo-U automatically calculates milliliter per kilogram of predicted body weight, supporting the ARDS-NET strategy. It is measured and trended over time, helping you make informed decisions, and if needed, trends are easily shared with your colleagues. Another example is Neurally Adjusted Ventilatory Assist, or NAVA. While other ventilation modes measure the pneumatic response, NAVA measures the physiological response through the electrical signal of the diaphragm. However, the difference of NAVA is also a challenge because it totally changes the way you experience ventilation. To make adaptation as easy as possible, we provide you with a NAVA therapeutic workflow. Servo-U automates calculations and helps you position the EDI catheter and to keep it in place. The ventilator also enables you to monitor the electrical signal of the diaphragm. We are just starting to understand the benefits of seeing this signal, which has the potential to provide you with decision support. It adds an objective value that helps you monitor the breathing drive. For example, during spontaneous breathing trials and post-extubation. Some doctors are already calling it the respiratory vital sign of breathing. We all know that ventilator alarms are both a necessity and a nuisance. We have tried to reduce these by allowing you to manage alarms more effectively. Short texts help you respond to alarms. Highlights guide your attention, and shortcuts instantly lead you to the settings you need to adjust. Managing alarms on a servo ventilator has never been easier. Different views help you tailor the ventilator to show the settings you need. A distance view and a family view help you tailor the machine to the care environment. The ease of interaction is not limited to the screen alone. Every detail is carefully designed, making the ventilator flexible and easy to use. Any side becomes the patient side. Even the internal aspects are designed with remarkable precision, so that maintenance can access the machine for easy service. Purchasing a ventilator is a significant investment, and you want to be confident with your choice. That is why Servo-U is also designed to grow with you. Configure according to your current needs and upgrade cost-effectively when those needs change, or when new features become available. The servo ventilator family has a history of being groundbreaking. Servo U is no different. It's definitely the best ventilator we have ever built. And physicians, respiratory therapists, nurses, and biomeds from all over the world helped us get there. If you haven't tried Servo U yet, please do. We believe it will forever change the way you look at life-supporting devices.
Maquet, the gold standard.